Hello friends, hope you all are okay. My name is Rahul Mittal and today's video we will see how to create logs in Selenium WebDriver. So let's start. Friends, first of all we will see that what is logs. Logs are the written statements in the script provided by the tester which tell us the flow of the application in runtime mode. Why logs are useful in Selenium WebDriver? Logs help us to understand the application run. Logs output can be saved that can be analyzed later. Helps in debugging in case of test automation failures. So what thing we required for generating logs? We need log4j jar and we need log4j properties file. So let's see how can we use both the files. First of all, open your browser, search Google Chrome search and type download log4j. You will get download Apache log4j 1.2.17. Click here and you will download the zip file. Currently I am not downloading because it is already in my system. So once you download the log4j, it will look like this and you have to unzip it, and once you unzip you can check the log4j jar inside that. So your first activity should be open your Eclipse, select your project and right click on build path, go to configure build path and add external jars log4j. Once you add it, it will look like in your reference library like this. You can find that added jar. Now what will we do? We will first create one class here. It's logs and before that we have to put a log4j jar file as we already tell that we need log4j property file also. So what will we do? Inside the source folder, select, go to right click and go to file, and here you will write log4j properties. Spelling should be correct, friends. Finish. And here I have a log4j file, this. So what will I do? I just copy the entire thing and I will paste in log4j properties. I will provide this entire log4j in a description box. You can copy from there also. So now I have a log4j jar and I have a log4j properties. Now I will write a basic script here so that we can execute that log4j properties. So first of all we will initialize the WebDriver. And I will import WebDriver here. I will write you can write any name here according to your application functionality. I am just write demo purpose, so I just write application logs. Here I will define our system properties. System dot set property. In key I will define WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver, and in the value I will provide the path of my Chrome driver. So the path of my Chrome driver is, it is inside the driver. So I will write dot slash drivers slash Chrome driver dot exe. Now my next step is to I will initialize the WebDriver. So I will just copy this WebDriver here. WebDriver driver equals to new Chrome driver. And I will import Chrome driver here. My next step is to maximize the window. So I will write driver.manage.window.maximize. After that I will provide the application URL. So I will write driver.get, and what application I will show. So I will open ESPN Cricket Info. So I just copy the entire URL and I will paste here. And what will I do? I will print the title, system.out.print, and inside I will write driver.getTitle. This will give me the title of the application. First of all, I will run this to check that this small script is running properly or not. Before that, I have to provide test-ng annotation. So I will write test and I will initialize that as import file org test-ng annotation. Now I will run it just to check that my script is running or not. This Chrome driver successfully launched. It opens ESPN Cricket Info site. So that means my application is running properly. So what will I do? My internet is little bit slow, that's why it is taking time, otherwise it is properly. So what will our next step is to define logger. So first of all we will define logger here. So we will write logger, and we will import logger as org Apache log4j. And here what we will do, we will write logger equals to logger.get logger, and here I will provide the name. So currently I will write log4j.properties properties, and now I will define each step one by one. So I will write logger.info, and inside info I will write my message. So here I can write launching Chrome driver. I just copy this message, and here my Chrome browser launch. So launching Chrome browser. After that it maximize my windows. So I will write maximizing Chrome window. Here I can write launching application URL, and last I can write printing application title. So I just provide the statements which I want to show in logs. So let me save and run this and check that it is working, showing or not. Yes, you can see that my logs are getting generated. Here you can see launching Chrome driver, launching Chrome browser, maximize Chrome window, and it will still running. So it will, let's wait for the next. Yeah, so it's showing launching application URL. It's print the title, and it's showing printing the title. So everything is according to our written script. So it is getting a little bit it might be a little bit fast in your system. My system is little bit slow. So what I will do, I will provide some um, sleep value here. So what I can do, after launching the browser, I just give a small time, thread dot sleep. Oh, sorry, wrong spelling mistake. Thread dot sleep, and I will write like 2000 millisecond. Here I will provide exception, and this line I will just copy, and after the I will paste it here. And what will I do? I just remove this launching Chrome driver text. Now everything is fine. What I can do, one more thing, that I can validate my title. So I can write if driver dot get title dot equals to whatever title name I have currently. It shows, so this is my title name. So if my title name is this, then I can write one more logger info. Test case pass, else you can write test case fail. So it will give the overall output. Let me run it once again. Let me close this, and I can give one more statement. I will wait for few seconds here, and after that I can write driver dot quit, and I can give one statement here. Test case passed, so I am closing my Chrome browser. Anything you can write, and now I will just save and run this once again. Let me see the output. Here you can see Chrome driver is started. Maximize the window, application URL hit, and now it will paste the title. Everything is done, and it will close automatically. Yes, so as you can see, the title, the logs which we have written is launching Chrome browser, maximize Chrome window, launching application URL. He print that title, printing application title, test case pass, and test case pass. So I'm closing the browser, and my overall result is application logs pass. Now what you can see, if you want to check the logs in the project, here you can see automatically logs generated. Inside logs you can see whatever logs you have run, it is showing here. So this is the way you can implement logs in your Selenium script. and make it more useful for debugging if required. Feel free to ask your questions, if any, in the comment section. Friends, if you think this is a useful video for you, then please like the video, share with your friends, and also if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe the channel and press bell icon for a new video notification. Till then, keep practicing and have a nice day. Thank you.